Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Nitro PDF Pro. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to their official website, and then you're gonna have to, first of all, you're gonna have to download the software. So as you can see, you're gonna get 40 days free trial. So simply enter your email address, and then what you're gonna have to do next, so I'm gonna enter mine, then enter your first and last name, and then simply choose your country. So I'm gonna pick a random country, then simply click on submit, and now you're gonna have to simply wait until the download starts. So as you can see, it's gonna download the software. Now I'm using a MacBook, so on MacBook you're gonna have to simply open it and drag this to applications, and basically that should be all. So let's see if we have the app. So as you can see, it's right here. So now we're gonna have to simply open it, and as you can see, you have the options to register your license. So I'm gonna go and try the demo because I don't actually have the pro version. So simply click on new document, then choose the type, and as you can see, the orientation, and then you're gonna have here the Nitro Pro. So let's resize this so you can see the, and now we can simply use it. So here we can add documents, we can annotate, we can import PDF files, and if you want, then you can simply click on share. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching.